Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, guys, we're going to be doing problem number 16 of Chapter 5 in Chemistry Essential Science. So use the equations in problem 5.15 to calculate the electrostatic repulsion for two protons separated by 75 picometers, and also use the gravitational force of attraction for two protons separated by 75 picometers. So we're going to use this equation. We would write F1 is equal to Q1 times Q2 over D squared. But since we're working with two protons, the charges are the same, so we can just write it as QP squared. And 10 to the 9th times 1.60 times 10 to the negative 19 over 75 times 10 to the negative 12 squared. But got to put the square there. 8.99 times 10 to the 9th times 1.60 times 10 to the negative 19 squared divided by 75 times 10 to the negative 12 squared. Okay. So that's going to be 4.09 times 10 to the negative 8 newtons. That's going to be electrostatic force. Now for gravitational. No, 6.74. So similarly, since we're dealing with electrostatic force, we're dealing with charge. Urging gravitational force, we're dealing with mass. The mass of our two protons are the same, so we're going to put so we can put it as m squared as opposed to m1 times m2. Then we divide this by our distance. So 6.674 times 10 to the negative 11 times 1.67 times 10 to the negative 27 squared divided by 75 times 10 to the negative 12 squared. So F2 is going to be equal to 3.3 times 10 to the negative 44th newtons. So as you can see, F1 is much, much greater than F2, which is to make sense because electrostatic force is stronger than gravitational force. So if they're allowed to move, the protons will be attracted to one another the protons will be repelled from one another as opposed to attracted, because the repulsive interactions from electrostatic forces are significantly greater than the attractive interactions from the gravitational forces.